Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video, and in my previous tutorial I showed you how to create a WordPress website using Namecheap's EasyWP WordPress managed hosting. And today I'm going to give you an overview of the EasyWP dashboard. So to log into the dashboard you have to follow this URL dashboard.easywp.com and then log in using the email address or username and password you created before, like I showed you in the first video. After logging in, you will see a screen like this. Namecheap has made the EasyWP dashboard interface very minimalistic and easy to navigate. So on the first page, you will see a list of all the WordPress website connected to your EasyWP account. So right now you can see I only have one website connected to my account. And unlike other shared hosting where usually you get to see and unlike other shared hosting where you can host multiple WordPress website or any other type of website on the same plan, with EasyWP you can have only one website per plan and it can be only WordPress website. You cannot create any other type of website. This is our WordPress website URL, and you will see it looks a bit weird because it is a temporary domain. And this is our WordPress website name. This is the plan and renewal date and WordPress version. And here is a button to log into the WordPress admin area. Now, if we will click on it, you will see all the settings of this WordPress website. And again, Namecheap has tried to keep things simple and divided the functions in four main tabs here. The first thing is again the URL, and another thing is if you click on this three buttons here, you will see an option to reset your WordPress password or delete website if you want to start from scratch. Now let's see what all functions we have in the overview tab. Scroll down a bit. In the first part, you will see your WordPress website information, and in the second part, here you can change this temporary domain, and you can also change your website status from online to offline. Let's see how it works. So if you want to enable temporary maintenance mode, you can click here and then click on change and it will enable the maintenance mode. So let's cancel it, and now again see what all other settings we have. So from here you can also change your subscription info, and basically that's it in the overview tab. Now let's see the backup tab. From here you can create backup of your WordPress website, and it would have been much better if Namecheap allowed automatic backups instead of this manual backup system. So to create a backup, here you will have to enter a description. For example, I will enter today's date and then click on create backup. You can see the backup has been created within few seconds, and it will completely depend on your website size. To restore your website using this backup or download a copy of this backup on your PC, you have to click on this three dots here and you will see all the options available: download files, download database, restore, or delete this backup. And this is basically how backups work. You will have to create them manually. There is no way to automate them using the dashboard here, but you can do that using WordPress plugins. For that, I have already created videos. I will put those videos link in the description as well on the top here. Now let's see the files and database tab. In this tab, you will get the settings, SFTP access and database access. So to understand these settings properly, first let's compare it to the shared hosting, how we access our website files and database there. So this is my Namecheap shared hosting account, and if I want to access file, I can log into the cpanel here, and from the file manager I can access files, and for database I can access it through the PHP myadmin. But since with EasyWP you do not get any other panel, so to access your files you will have to click on this. From here you can change the time limit for which the credentials that you will generate will be valid. So let's say for 1 hour, then click on access files. So this is useful if you want to give it to some developer for temporary 1 hour till they are working on your website, and if you want you can manually also revoke their access anytime. So to access your files, what you have to do is download a client called FileZilla. Just Google it and you will find it. Just install on your PC. Then using this information, you can log into your server and from there access files, download or upload them. And similarly to access database, you will have to generate credentials from here. And when you generate the credentials, you will also see an option to go to phpMyAdmin here. So if you click on it, it will open in a new tab. And then to log in here, you will have to use this credentials. From here, you can see this is our WordPress website dashboard. But it will be useful when you hire a developer or something goes wrong with your website or for some reason you have to manually change the settings in the database. This is how you can do it. Now let's go back to the EasyWP tab. So I am done working on the database. I will revoke this permissions and also this SFTP access, and that's it. Now let's see the last tab, integrations. On this page, you will see all the other options that you can integrate with your WordPress website that is hosted on EasyWP. First option is the CDN. Right now, Namecheap is offering free CDN service, which is kind of in beta mode right now. So if you want to integrate that, you will have to click here. This is the supersonic CDN which is offered by Namecheap, and here you can see early access which is in beta mode. Now if you scroll down, you will see all the supersonic CDN plans, and if you scroll down a little further, you will see that get free CDN by Namecheap, and you can try it for free. Basically right now it is in beta mode, so you get this 50 GB per month limit which is free if you are using Namecheap shared hosting or EasyWP hosting. So you can try that, but it is a completely different topic. And if you want, I can create a video about it as well. Just post in the comments. And similarly, if you want to integrate the Namecheap's private email service, you can do it from here. It will open a new tab and also this logo maker. And basically that's all you get with the EasyWP dashboard here. And if you need any help, you can click on this icon here, and here you will see all these options: chat with a live person, check our FAQ, give feedback, service status. Now before ending this video, let's do a small comparison with the shared hosting and see what all other features you get and what other features are missing from this EasyWP dashboard. This is the cpanel dashboard here, and you can see compared to EasyWP dashboard, there are just so many options. All these options allow you to manage every aspect of your website, but not everything is required, especially for beginners. But some important things which I think are missing from the EasyWP dashboard. The first option is this email accounts. With shared hosting, you do not have to buy a private email service from Namecheap to manage custom domain email address for your business. With shared hosting, you get this email option so you can create free emails. And second is the file manager option, which I think Namecheap should have provided. It would have been much easier. With cpanel, you can also manage subdomains, redirects, but with EasyWP, you do not get any such option. And the main difference between EasyWP and shared hosting is that with shared hosting you can create any type of website, and with EasyWP, as the name suggests, it is only for WordPress websites. So to summarize, all the option you get with EasyWP is enough to manage your WordPress website, but to make things more convenient, Namecheap should have added a file manager option, and automatic backups must have been there. Also, if they allowed you to create staging site, that would have been much better. And an email option would have been great, but it's not there. So that's it guys. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you have already created a website on EasyWP, I hope this video helps you in learning about the EasyWP dashboard. And if you have not created your WordPress website and you wanted to know how it is compared to shared hosting, so I hope you also found this video useful. And if you decide to create a WordPress website with EasyWP, then you can watch my other video in which I will show you step by step how to create a WordPress website with this hosting. So that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next video.